Hello there. Today I'm showing you the Elle Studio September 2018 exclusive kit and add-ons. Let's start out with the kit. Okay, here's the kit. It comes nicely packaged all together with die cuts on the top and then some 4x6" tags. Let me show you the 4x6" tags first. So we have that lovely blue pattern, which I really love, and then those cute little colorful dots with the green label. Plus we have this ledger green tag. I love all of them this month. These are the die cut sheets. They're super easy to just punch out. I love the multicolored ones, the coffee cup high five. Really fun ones this month. Next up we have the 3" by 4" tags. Lots of great ones here for journaling, or if you really don't want to journal that much, you have some filler tags as well. Those are great for just adding the date, maybe a few words, a sticker, and going on. I love the on the menu tag. That one's really good. And then since we're getting into football season, we have the final score tag. That notes from today tag is a great one. I love the dots on the side and that pretty blue. So lots of awesome 3x4" tags this month. Now let's take a look at the add-ons. First up for the add-ons, we have the September labels. They all match the colors of the kit, and the September labels stickers. So two really great label options there. We also have the Here and Now phrase stickers. I love the So Very Busy, Top Priority. These could be great for a planner too. Next up we have the Hazel Tile alphabet stickers in white. You'll be seeing these on my projects this month. Now we have the Right Now stamp. I love the circles on this one. I love that script on the story of phrase. It's a really great one to have. Then we have the Good Eats wood veneer. These are really awesome. I really love the fork and knife and spoon. We have some phrases that you can use for other things besides food, like favorite and the heart this wood veneer. But we have breakfast, lunch, dinner, coffee break, and snack time, as well as yum and good eats. Then we have the story acrylic. I'm going to be using that on one of my layouts. These are the notes from today journaling tags, and you can see that they're all the same. I actually stamped that game day on one of them. But all of those come in a pack together. Next up, we have the Go Team journaling tags. These are perfect if you like to go to sporting events, if you have kids who play in sports. So just really versatile sports journaling tags here. I love the final score and teamwork. That can be good for anything. Game on. It reminds me of Wayne's World, and the different balls down here. So those are definitely some fun ones. To go with those, we have the Go Team stamp, which I'm going to be using on my projects this month. I love that one. And the Go Team wood veneer. These are really super cute. I especially love the baseball bat and the baseball. We have MVP and favorite. We won, Go Team, teamwork, #1, and then the different balls. So here's the kit this month. I love the color scheme. They have some great die cuts and tags in there. It's just the perfect color scheme for that transition between summer and fall. And here we have all of the coordinating add-ons. Be sure to check out the links in my video notes to purchase all of these fun supplies for your next project. Thanks so much and happy creating!